Gold and silver are assets investors turn to when uncertainty abounds. But on Thursday, those safe havens shook hard. In a sharp reversal, precious metal prices crashed on India's commodity exchange. So, what went wrong? Why did prices tumble so fast? And is this a pause or the start of something bigger? On Thursday, MCX gold and silver futures slid during intraday trade. Gold April futures fell to nearly 1.48 lakh rupees per 10 grams. That's about 3% down at the day's low. Silver March futures saw an even steeper fall. Prices dropped over 14%, slipping to around 2.31 lakh rupees per kilogram. Both metals later recovered slightly from the day's low, but they still ended firmly in the red. The fall looks sharper when you zoom out. Gold had touched a record high of nearly 1.81 lakh rupees per 10 grams in late January. From that peak, prices are now down about 18%. Silver's correction is far more severe. In just 5 trading sessions, silver futures have cracked nearly 45% from their recent high. That's extreme volatility, and it caught many traders off guard. Now, the trigger came from overseas. The key reason? Signals from the US Federal Reserve. Fed officials sounded cautious on further interest rate cuts that pushed the US dollar higher, and higher dollar strength usually hurts gold and silver prices. Adding to that, expectations of quick rate cuts cooled off. That reduced the appeal of non-yielding assets like precious metals. There was also some easing on the geopolitical front. The US and Iran agreed to hold talks in Oman. That slightly reduced immediate safe haven demand. Meanwhile, China reported a drop in coal consumption in 2025. Demand fell even as domestic gold output rose. Together, these factors added pressure to already nervous markets. Despite the sharp fall, some experts say this may not be the end of the story. For gold, analysts point to strong support between 1.4 lakh rupees and 1.48 lakh rupees. As long as prices hold above this zone, the broader trend remains intact. A sustained move around 1.55 lakh rupees to 1.6 lakh rupees could revive upside momentum. That may open the door toward 1.65 lakh rupees and even 1.75 lakh rupees levels. For silver, long-term stature is still seen as positive. Strong buying interest is expected between 2.35 lakh rupees and 2.5 lakh rupees. But there is a caveat. If silver decisively breaks below the support, the correction could deepen further. Follow for more stories.